You can tell a lot about a company by what it incentivizes. So for us at Elifin to give $20,000 to one of our agents, the agent that prospects the most, says a lot about our company. It says a lot about what we care about. And for us, we really care, we really pride ourselves on being the company that goes out there positively, professionally, proactively prospects for business, right? That when we get a listing, when a client comes to us and says, hey, please help me sell or lease my property, that we list that property and we sell it and we lease it and we go out there and call on buyers, we call on prospective tenants, and we make great deals happen. We want that to always be at the core of our company. So that's why we do this perpetual prospecting competition, where in the next, I think 110 days, we'll be giving away $20,000 to the agent that prospects the most. Crazy, but prospecting is really important.